Meow. Meow. I only drink alcohol on days that start with a T, so that's Tuesday, Thursday, today, tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting, yes.
Ginger! Look at me!
Man, shut your... And come to find out they stole my catnip. Wait, are you listening to me, man? I'm being serious out here. Natalie, yo.
Slay! Slay! You're pulling up a root.
Я должен разбудить тебя.
You're done. You're done.
What is you doing?
God, you smack me again, you gonna need 9 more lives. I promise you.
Yeah,
Hi.
This movie.
Holy cow, I've got 3 lions.
Let's see.
Whoa! Whoa!
What the f?
How do you like that car seat?
Oh! Oh! Sai Baba!
Don't turn around. No, turn around. You're looking in the mirror. Turn around.
Simply have to just bite and kick them back. Just wait till he's 6 foot 200 pounds. Is that Kevin? Oh.
I hope you're not taking that blanket to bed. What are you doing? No. No.
Is that your card?
Hi, baby. God.
Stop. Are you stuck on her again?
No, you are not! Do you need directions, sir?
Get off the counter! Get off the counter! Get your little cattail out of the forks. Who do you think you are? What are you doing in the kitchen? Little Gordon Ramsay? What?
Privacy. Privacy. Okay? Thank you.
Oh, look at you, little tiny kitty. Little tiny baby kitty. Ow! Curse your tiny kitty!
Hello? You gonna go in your bed? Okay.
What's up, Bessie? Get over
Look at this fool right here.
You be talking all this smack, he's not behind this bubble butt.
What are you gonna do?
What I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do?
You're a chihuahua in a bubble, fool. Get the
You better
fuck
not be
outta
out here on my streets, that's it.
Cinder. Don't do it. Cinder, no. Cinder! Milo, are you okay?
Good morning.
Do you want to go in the basement? Go in the basement? It's too cold. It's so cold out. But it's too cold for mommy. You really, really have to go? No, shh, don't yell. No. It's too cold. I am a little late with feeding time, and I think they may have noticed.
Is this a joke to you? Because it's not funny. Right, guys? Right. I am calling the authorities because this is unacceptable.
Alright, Jim, so if I can beat 18, you owe me 10 pounds of catnip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh! Where's the... Psst, out here. Psst. Out here. Cheryl. No. Not there. No, behind you. No. Higher. Cheryl. Behind you. Up. Yes. So, as you can see, I'm in a bit of a pickle here, and I would appreciate if you could, help me out.
Oh, Boo. Oh, Gina, Boo. Oh. Stop it. Oh.
Okay, stop me from coming in here. Man, you don't really think I don't do this. Okay? Oh, y'all are so cute. Anything y'all bring to me, I'm hopping over. Oh, that's what we doing out here, huh? You done called in the reinforcements. The party's over, huh? My arch nemesis, the vacuum. You're a real piece of work. One of y'all took a shit in my crib? Who was it? And you better not lie. Was it you? Say something. Was it you? Tell me right now. I knew it.
So darn cutesy like that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Can I pet you? Oh, he's just so focused.
哎呀！